Ever faced a limit problem that seemed unsolvable? L'Hopital's rule might just be your secret weapon. This rule transforms complex calculus challenges into manageable tasks, making it a game-changer for mathematicians. Originating from the 17th century, L'Hopital's rule was introduced by Johann Bernoulli and popularized by Guillaume de L'Hopital. Its historical significance lies in its ability to simplify indeterminate forms, a breakthrough in calculus. Indeterminate forms like 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity often stump students. These forms arise when limits yield undefined results, making them tricky to solve without the right tools. L'Hopital's rule applies when both the numerator and denominator approach 0 or infinity. Recognizing these scenarios is crucial for applying the rule effectively. To apply L'Hopital's rule, differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Then evaluate the limit again. If the result is still indeterminate, repeat the process. Ensure the original limit is in an indeterminate form before applying the rule. This step is vital to avoid incorrect conclusions. L'Hopital's rule isn't foolproof. Some limits require multiple applications or additional transformations to resolve. Understanding these nuances is key to mastering the rule. Counterexamples highlight the importance of conditions. Without them, applying the rule can lead to false results. Always verify the prerequisites before proceeding. Visualizing L'Hopital's rule through parametric curves can deepen understanding. The slope of the tangent line at a point offers a geometric perspective on the rule's application. Mathematical proofs provide the backbone for L'Hopital's rule. They demonstrate its validity across various scenarios, ensuring its reliability in calculus. Forms like 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, and infinity raised to 0 require special attention. Transformations can make L'Hopital's rule applicable, turning seemingly impossible limits into solvable problems. Examples of these transformations in action reveal the versatility of L'Hopital's rule. They showcase its ability to tackle a wide range of indeterminate forms. Misapplying L'Hopital's rule can lead to incorrect results. Common mistakes include using the rule when conditions aren't met or overlooking simpler solutions. Avoid circular reasoning and logical fallacies. Ensure each step in your calculation is justified and follows the rule's guidelines. In this video, we've explored the power and application of L'Hopital's rule. From its historical roots to advanced applications, understanding this rule is crucial for tackling calculus challenges. By practicing regularly, you'll master L'Hopital's rule and enhance your problem-solving skills. Apply it to various calculus problems to see its transformative impact. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you engage with L'Hopital's rule, the more intuitive it becomes. Embrace the challenge and watch your calculus skills soar. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of L'Hopital's rule, it's time to put it into action. Tackle those indeterminate forms with confidence and precision. By mastering L'Hopital's rule, you'll unlock new levels of understanding in calculus. This rule is a powerful tool in your mathematical arsenal. Ready to take your calculus skills to the next level? Dive into practice problems and explore the depths of L'Hopital's rule. Let's conquer calculus together. Thank you for watching us and subscribe my YouTube channel KnowledgeHeals for more informative video.